Float mounting is a method with which you can tension hard to hoop areas of garments. First, you need to frame up using a backing fabric. This ideally should be something thin and subtle according to what you want to embroider, to remain behind your finished embroidery. Once the backing fabric is in tension, you can then lie flat the area which you want to embroider and pin it into place. Using a sewing thread, tack stitch outwards from the area to be embroidered to join the garment to the backing fabric. Remove the pins and you're now ready to embroider the piece. Once you are finished with your embroidery, you can remove all your tacking stitches and cut the backing fabric away close to shape to the embroidery so that what is within the embroidery remains